Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a small adjustment you can make to leopard crawling or Spiderman crawling that just takes it up a notch, really ties your body together and just recruits more reflexive tension. So typically, well, the way I typically leopard crawl is like this. And with the leopard crawl, the knees just track underneath the body, kind of inside the arms. But as you'll notice, when my arms plant, they're pretty much, I'm using my skeleton to help hold me up. So the adjustment is to let the elbows stay bent. Not to use your skeleton fully, but to actually use your muscles, require your muscles to hold you up by not extending your elbows. So it takes the leopard crawl and it makes it more like a prowl. So a leopard prowling crawl. So all you do, let the elbows stay more relaxed. And forward or backwards. And backwards is, well, that's the sweet spot. But by not using the skeleton of the arms to hold you up, it requires more reflexive tension to prowl. And it's a it's a really simple adjustment to crawling, but it makes a huge, huge difference in what happens in your body, especially the amount of reflexive tension that jumps up, kicks it up a notch. So that's it. That's our simple adjustment to crawling to put more of a demand on your reflexive strength. And it requires reflexive strength, but it also builds reflexive strength. So it's a nice two-way street, two-way conversation. All right, give that a shot. Let us know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.